Whether you're cleaning up high or at arm's length, Unger has the duster for you. With Unger's full line of dusting tools and telescopic pole, you get the job done faster, safer, and more effectively. Uniquely designed using professional-grade microfiber, our dusters attract and hold dust like a dirt magnet, leaving all your surfaces dust-free. The flagged bristles of our cobweb and corner duster trap and remove spider webs without scratching walls, ceilings, or molding. The dome-shaped head fits easily into corners to thoroughly clean hard-to-reach places. The patented C-shaped design of our ceiling fan duster cleans both sides of any size ceiling fan in one quick swipe. The microfiber sleeve is machine washable for easy cleanup. Our microfiber duster is perfect for all-purpose, everyday dusting. The long, soft microfiber head covers large areas and easily fits into narrow spaces. Every tool has a cushioned grip that's comfortable to hold and won't slip in wet hands. Attaching any duster to our telescopic pole allows you to clean hard-to-reach places safely by avoiding dangerous ladders and step stools. The Unger Connect and Clean system lets you tackle your toughest dusting jobs while keeping your feet safely on the ground. Unger, quality tools for smart cleaning.